Hello, hi. I'm coming to you with part 3 of my making enchiladas meal for under $15 or less. I have put together the enchilada shells. I'll be cooking those up really quickly here. Also, I have baked off cornbread already, and you will see right here I have brownies. And so this meal can be prepared under $15. I have the enchilada sauce with 2 different types of enchilada mix. Also, I'm getting ready to make the Spanish rice, and then you'll see my oil for frying up the enchilada shells. I'll just lightly fry them, and then I'll have 2 different types of enchiladas. I'll have cheese enchiladas, and then also I'll have beef enchiladas. I have also already prepared my pans, and I'll come back with you at the end to show you a picture. So I just have my cheese already grated up and ready. I'm going to have a salad with it. So I am trying to eat healthy as well. You'll see avocados. Again, you can use whatever type of salad dressing you would like, but this is a very simple way. I'm going to go ahead and put the video down for now and come back with you a little bit later to show you the final results. Talk to you soon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the share